Let's be real. Most of people think climbing Mount Elbrus is impossible. Rising temperature, endless snow, and let's not forget about terrifying altitude sickness. Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth. The only thing standing between you and the summit is you. So if you are ready to turn your doubt into determination, stick around. Because I'm here to make sure you not only survive at Mount Elbrus, but absolutely summit it. मैं हूँ गोल्डी मिश्रा, इंडियन माउंटेनियर एंड ट्रैक लीडर. सो अभी इस वीडियो में बात करने जाएंगे माउंट एल्ब्रस के बारे में, यूरोप्स हाईएस्ट पीक, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर माउंट एल्ब्रस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Let's talk about the reason why people fail. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, I got you. By the end of this video, you will know how to train, pack and climb Mount Elbrus like a pro. Be prepared. Here is what you need before going to the mountains. Number 1. Train for real. No shortcuts. Start preparation 3 months before. Run, hike and practice with the weight on your backpack. Also, along with that, you can do cardio, cycling and swimming. Number 2. Sort your gears. Forget your fashion sense. This is about survival. Keep yourself warm. Keep warm layers, waterproof layers and snacks is your best friends. Number 3. Know the route. Knowledge is the power. Always do research the mountain before going for the expedition. And please don't be that person googling how to breathe at altitude at summit night. We are better than that. Here is the deal with Elbrus. Number 1. It's not technically hard, but the altitude and weather are no joke. Number 2. It's a volcano, so you are literally walking on the history. Third and best part, the views will blow your mind if wind doesn't first. Number 1. Go slow. The slower you go, the better your body will adjust to high altitude. So don't rush or run. Save your sprinting energy for the treadmill at the gym. Number 2. Drink water like a camel. High altitude takes lot out of your body, so keep drinking water in every 5 minutes to stay hydrated. Always carry liquids with you like tea, coffee, soup, energy drinks and ORS. Number 3. Eat often. Even if you don't feel like eating, you should still eating at high altitude. Summit snacks are lifesavers. I swear, chocolate tastes like heaven up there. Number 4. Layer smart. There is no need to act like a hero and wear fewer clothes. Proper layering is very important at high altitude. You don't need to sweat and freeze, trust me. Number 5. Keep your mindset strong. Stay mentally strong while trekking because your mindset helps you to overcome challenges. The climbing Mount Elbrus is just not about reaching the summit. It's about thinking beyond your limits and step out of your comfort zone. It's about providing yourself that you're more than capable you think. So, are you ready to turn your what if I fail into I did it moment? I hope this video gives you confidence to climb Mount Elbrus. And always remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about trying. If you climb Mount Elbrus or you still have a doubt, comment below your doubt, or if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe.